A continuation of the third sloka note. So the Prakrita Pralaya is also of the same duration. At the end of this Pralaya, a fresh cycle of creation starts. Next one is fourth sloka. Maya Sannihito Apravishtavapusha Sakshiti Gito Bhavan Vedaistam Pradibimbado Vivishivan Jivobi Naivaparaha Kaladipratibodhidata Bhavada Samchodida Cha Swayam Maya Sa Kalu Buddhitattvamasrujadyo Asau Mahanuchyate. Maya Sannihitaha. The meaning of that is having Maya as adjunct only. Apravishta Vapusha, meaning but without entering into it, meaning without being under the influence. Bhavan, do. Sakshi, a mere witness. Bhattadari is addressing the Lord and saying, Iti Gidaha, it is proclaimed, Tam, in that Maya, Vedaihi, in diverse appearances, Pradibimbadaha, as reflections. So the Lord enters into the Maya without being influenced by the Maya itself and projects different appearances. How means we can easily understand this concept by seeing, just as we see our reflection in a mirror. Vibhishivan, Du has entered, Jivaha api, the individual soul also, Aparaha na eva, is not at all different from thee. So the individual soul, being the part and parcel of the Lord, is not different from the whole. Aparaha na eva. Thereafter, ata, Kaladi Pradibodhita, being roused by time, Bhavada Samchodida cha, and well prompted by thee. So for creation, the assistance of time is required, the prompting of the Lord. Sa Maya Kalu Swayam, that Maya itself indeed. Buddhi Tattvam, the principle of intelligence. So the Maya itself indeed. Then the principle of intelligence, Asrajat, projected. Yaha Asau, which Buddhi Tattva, Mahanuchyade, is called Mahat. Now coming to the full meaning of the fourth sloka, having Maya as adjunct, but without being under its influence, Du are proclaimed in the Upanishads to be a mere witness. Du has entered that Maya in diverse appearances as mere reflections. The individual soul is not at all different from thee, being roused by time, etc., and prompted by thee, by thy mere presence. Just by the mere presence of the Lord, the Maya is or the Prakriti is aroused. Maya projected the principle of intelligence, which is called Mahat. It is the Maya's work to project the principle of intelligence also, and it is called the Mahat. Now coming to a small note, Brahman reflected in Maya is Ishvara, and Brahman reflected in avidya, that is ignorance, is Jiva. Next sloka. Tatrasau त्रिगुणात्मकोऽपि च महान् सत्त्वप्रधानः स्वयं जीवेऽस्मिन् खलु निर्विकल्पमहमित्युद्बोधनिष्पादकः चक्रेऽस्मिन् सविकल्पबोधकमहन्तत्वं महान् खल्वसौ सम्पुष्टं त्रिगुणैस्तमो अधिबहुलं विष्णो भवत्प्रेरणात्. Tatra, among the effects of Maya, asau cha mahan, that mahat. Maya is capable of producing different effects of that. The mahat, gunatmakaha abhi, though made up of all the three gunas. Sattva pradhanaha being predominantly sattvic, Asmin Jive, in the collective, that is in the Jiva, Nirvikalpam Aham Idi, as the I sense, without differentiation as this, that, etc. Udbodha Nishpadakaha Kalu, causes the cognition, indeed. So, the Mahat itself produces the I consciousness in the Jiva. Asau Mahan Kalu. This same Mahat indeed, He Vishnu, O all-pervading Lord. This same Mahat indeed, Bhavat Preranad, by thy will, by the will of the Lord, Asmin, in this Jiva, Trigunaihi Sampushtam, though having all the three gunas in full measure. So the Mahat is having all the three gunas in full measure. Tamo Ati Bahulam, being dominated by tamas. Savikalpa Bodhagam, causing the awareness of separate individuality. So when the Tamo Guna is being dominated, when it becomes dominant, what happens? It causes the awareness of separate individuality. Ahandatvam means ego. Chakra, created. Then develops, when the Aham Tattvam develops, the ego also is created. Full meaning. Among the effects of Maya, Mahat, though made up of all the three gunas, causes, when predominantly sattvic, the cognition as I without differentiation as separate entities. So, as we said earlier, the Mahat Tattva causes the I cognition, but without differentiation as different entities. That same Mahat, when dominated by tamas or ignorance, creates by thy will. Everything happens by the Lord's will. The ego, which is the awareness of separate individuality. Next one, number 6. So aham cha trigunakramad trividadam asadya vaikariko bhuyas taijasa tamasa avidi bhavannadyena satvatmana devan indriyamanino akrita dishabadarka Pashashvino Vannindrachudamitrakan Vidu Vidhi Sri Rudra Sharirakan. Meaning, Saha Aham Cha means that Ahankara, Trigunakramada, in accordance with the three gunas, Trividadam Asadya, becoming divided into three. These three gunas are being again divided into another three. What are this Ahankara. Ahankara is being divided. They are Vaikarika as the Sattvic part, Bhuyaha Taijasa Tamasau, further as the Rajasic part, and Tamasa or Tamasic part, Idicha Bhavan, becoming or being called Adyena Sattvatmana by means of the first, which is Sattvic, Dishavadarka Pashashvinaha, the directions Vayu, Surya, Varuna, the Ashwini Devas. Now, coming to the next stage of the creation. The I consciousness was created, then the Ahankara was created. Now, coming to the directions. Directions were created, then Vayu, Surya, Varuna, the Ashwini. This is the order of things which were created. Vidyu, Vidhi, Sri Rudra, Sharirakan, the moon, Brahma, Sri Rudra, Kshetrajna, Indriya, Maninaha, Devan, who are the gods presiding over the sense organs of action and mind. So the first, the gods presiding over the organs, sense organs of action and mind were also created. Number 6, that number 6 full meaning, that Ahankara becoming divided into 3 parts known as Vaikarika, Taijasa and Tamasa, being Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic respectively, created by means of the Sattvic part, the gods presiding over the organs of sense and action and the mind, namely the directions Vayu, Surya, Varuna, Ashwini Devas, Agni, Indra, Upendra, Mitra, Prajapati, the moon, Brahma, and Sri Rudra and Kshetrajna. What came in the word meaning only. A small note is being given. The above gods are respectively the presiding deities of the organs of hearing, touch, seeing, taste, smell, speech, the hands, the feet, excretion, reproduction, the mind, the intellect, the eye sense, and the chitta. The last 4 being the 4 functions of the mind. Now, coming to number 7. Bhuman Manasa Buddhyahankriti Milachittakya Vrityanvitam Tachandaha Karanam Vibho Tava Balad Satvamsha Eva Srujat Jada Taijasato Deshendriya Gana Stattatma Sam Tamshat Punastanmatram Nabaso Marutpurapade Shabdo Ajani Tadbalad. Hey Bhuman, Vibho means O infinite, all pervading Lord, Tava Balad, by thy will. Satvamshaha eva, the sattvic aspect of Ahankara itself, Manasa Buddhyahankriti Milachittakya Vrityanvidam, meaning constituted of the 4 modes called the mind, intellect, Ahankara and Chitta. Tad Andaha Karanam Cha, the inner instrument. Asrujat, created. Hey Marutpurapade, O Lord of Guruvayur, Tudbalad, by thy will. Taijasataha, from the Taijasa aspect. Dashendriya Ganaha. From the Taijasic aspect, the 10 Indriyas, Jadaha, were born. Punaha, further, Tattamasamshat. From the Tamasa, Tattamasamshat. From the Tamasa aspect, Nabasaha, then Matram, the subtle essence of space. Shabdaha, namely sound, Ajani, was born. Full meaning of the 7th sloka. O infinite, all-pervading Lord, by thy will thine instrument, constituted of the mind, intellect, ahankara and chitta, was created by the sattvic aspect of the ahankara. From the rajasic aspect, the 10 indriyas were born by thy will. Further, from the tamasa aspect, sound, which is the subtle essence of space, was born. Next one, number 8. Shabdad vyoma tadaha sasarjita vibho sparsham tado marudam tasmad rupam ado mahoatacharasam toyam chagandam mahim evam madava purva kalanadadyadya dharmanvidam Bhudagramamimam Tvameva Bhagavan Prakashayastamasad. Number 8. Word meaning. Tasmad Rubam. From that form, before that, Hey Vibho, O all-pervading Lord. Shabdad Vyoma. From sound. From sound, space. Sound, space. Tadaha sparsham, from space, touch. So next creations were from sound, space was created. Then from space, the touch was created. Tadaha marudam, from that air. And after that air was created, and tasmadarubam, from that form was created. Adaha mahaha, from form, fire. So this is the order of this by which everything was created. From form, fire was created. Ata cha rasam, from fire, taste was created. Toyam gandham mahicha, then water, smell and earth. Sasarjita, do did create. He Madhava, O Madhava, evam, in this manner. Purva kalanad, because of association with the preceding product. Purva kalanad. Adyadya dharmanvitam, having the qualities of the earlier products. Imam Bhutagramam, this chain of subtle elements. Hey Bhagavan, O Lord, Tvameva, do thyself. Tamasad, from the tamasa ahankara, prakashayaha, did bring out. So all these were brought out from the tamasa ahankara. O all-pervading Lord, from sound thou did create space. From space the subtle element of touch, and then in order from one to the next.